Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. Let's get into this video.
The Dreambaby Home Safety Value Kit includes 46 pieces, containing everything you need to help make sure your home is as safe as possible for your little ones. Dreambaby cabinet and drawer safety catches provide easy access for adults but are difficult for young children to open. The Dreambaby sliding lock fits easily to cabinet knobs or D-shaped handles and closes with a simple sliding action. Dreambaby doorknob covers prevent curious toddlers from accessing potentially dangerous areas. Dreambaby multi-purpose latches are simple to use in any room and require no tools to install. Dreambaby outlet plugs help prevent children from inserting objects into electrical outlets. Perfect for your house or as a baby shower gift, the Dreambaby Home Safety Kit provides a one-stop solution for childproofing and home safety needs.
The banister guard helps to prevent falls and keep children from putting arms and legs through spindles and help to keep toys from falling down below. The crystal clear plastic guard is made in the USA, is easy to install, and includes everything you'll need. Just line up the plastic guard against railings to find out your length, measure, and cut. Then use the included hole punch to punch holes on either side of the vertical spindles, and insert the included tie straps to secure, leaving no more than 12 inches between segments. Secure the tie straps from the back of the banister guard so that you can cut the excess strap off and have a clean look from the front. If the guard ends against a wall with no end post, allow 6 inches of material in order to fasten to the wall. Use sheetrock anchors, washers, and screws as necessary. The banister guard is also available with a UV inhibitor for outside decks and porches. The banister and outdoor rail guard from Kidkusion.
simply fit anywhere on the outer edge of the door or the top of the door above the reach of children. The cushion prevents the door from slamming, which prevents your children's fingers from getting pinched. The door stopper also comes in multiple shapes and colors to fit any door.
If you're a parent, you know how dangerous it can be to have your child wander into different rooms of your house. It can be easy for your child to open pretty much any door. You don't want them in the bathroom, where curious hands and mouths touch the toilet bowl, or turn on the water faucets, or under the sink, where harmful chemicals may be stored. Other rooms can also be dangerous for young ones because they can find small toys or other items they may choke on. Or they may decide to play with dangerous electrical outlets. These are just a few of the potential dangers in the average home. Finding a door lock that will work with the large variety of doorknobs and levers available today can be a real challenge. The Door Monkey is the perfect solution. It's the easiest to install and the easiest to use door lock ever. Let me show you how it works. The Door Monkey is designed to work with all standard 1 3/8 inch thick interior doors or 3.49 centimeters. The Door Monkey clamps to the edge of the door in just seconds by simply pressing this button. No assembly required. Soft rubber surfaces help to hold the Door Monkey in place and protect your door's finish. Now when the door is closed, the Door Monkey automatically locks the door in a slightly cracked position. This helps to protect little fingers from painful door pinch injuries and allows fresh air to circulate through the secured room. The innovative design of the Door Monkey locks onto your existing door frame and requires no additional hardware to be installed. This does make it necessary for your home to have standard door stop molding with a square flat edge for the Door Monkey to lock onto. When you need to unlock the door, simply pull the tail away from the door frame. That's it. You can attach it as high or low as you like, and this makes the Door Monkey a favorite for older siblings because they can install it high enough to where their little brothers and sisters can't get in their room, but low enough to where they can easily still unlock their door. And if the door closes while you're inside the room, there's a simple release trigger to let you out. When you're not using the Door Monkey, simply store it on the doorknob. Or if you need a pinch guard, flip the Door Monkey around. Now the door remains unlocked and little fingers are protected. It's that easy. Your child can't get in a room, they can't pinch their fingers, and fresh air is still flowing, going in and out of the room to allow for proper heating and cooling. The Door Monkey works great for pets too. You can keep everyone out of the baby's room during nap time, and you can even take it with you to grandma's house or anywhere you go. With safe and easy operation, adjustable height, and no tools required, the Door Monkey is the perfect solution for your children and pets. Grady, come here. But remember, never leave your child unattended. The Door Monkey is a deterrent, but not a substitute for adult supervision, so the rooms still need to be made as safe as possible.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Also click the bell button to get much more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.